The secret is out. Our Country Cupboard cookbook is here with secret seasoning blend mixes and other family recipes from Our Country Cupboard. A farmer's market favorite, Our Country Cupboard brought you homemade gluten-free seasoning mixes created to make mealtime easy and delicious. Secret mix recipes in your hands. Our Country Cupboard cookbook shares 25 of our favorite mix recipes and more, a total of 100 recipes. Created by a mom of 7, these mixes came from the need to make allergen-free, convenient, family-friendly, low-cost, and delicious meals. Something for every meal and everyone. Main dishes, side dishes, desserts, snacks, and more. All gluten-free. Many also sugar-free or dairy-free. All delicious. We'd like to invite you to back our Kickstarter. You can help make this dream come true. Take some time to look around our Kickstarter page, then click Back This Project to pick a pledge. You're only charged if the project meets its funding goal by the campaign deadline. We're ready to go to print. The first step in our journey is done. This cookbook is already written and ready to print. When our Kickstarter is fully funded, we will send the book to the printer. Just a few short weeks later, your reward will be in your hands. We are very excited to share our recipes with you. We know you will help make this dream a reality. Thank you for your time and consideration. Please contact us if you have any questions.